In Canvas, if you want to use your gradebook, it's a little bit different from other gradebooks. In other gradebooks like Blackboard or other programs like that, you can just add columns into this gradebook as you'd like. However, in Canvas, the gradebook is a reflection of your assignments page. So in other words, any assignments you make in your page will show up in Gradebook. I give it 5 points. This, by the way, this has been saving my preferences, and the last assignment I made was 5 points. The assignment group, right now we should only have assignments, so that's all we can do. Submission. Online submission, I have it as a text entry and a file upload, and save and publish. When we go into Gradebook, then we'll find that assignment has been put there. Most of us in our syllabus, we have weighted different categories. So for example, assignments are worth 30%, homework is worth 10%, quizzes. So to do that, first we have to create the different groups. Homework. Create another group for quizzes. Maybe projects. Now I can go here and weight them. So maybe I want this to be 30%. I want homework to be 10%, quizzes to be 30%, projects to be 30%. And then it comes out to 100. I save. Next time I create an assignment, I can choose where to put this. But I can decide to put it in quizzes, projects, whatever it may be. And then I'll just save and publish. And then I'll find it in the gradebook. Let's talk about 2 more things with the assignments. So, let's say you have an assignment that you have given them in class. It hasn't been assigned through Canvas, but yet you still want to put the grades in Canvas. Very easy. Press assignment. Now it's good to mention in this area that it was something handed in class. You could, if you put worksheets up on Canvas, you can even put a link to that worksheet just in case they lost it or something. But then they know that this isn't something they have to do in Canvas. This is something which was handed in during class. Now, assignment, same way. You give it whatever category you want to give it. Now, the submission type, just choose no submission because it was in class. Save and publish. And then when you want to put the grade in for that, all you have to do is find the assignment, which was this one, and then go, and you can put the grade in. These you could do the same thing. You can always override it, but there was something submitted through Canvas, so you could always go into the grading feature in Canvas. It's sometimes a good idea when you are creating your assignments groups, categories, to have one which isn't going to be weighted, just in case you want to keep track of other things that aren't actually going to be part of the final grade. And then you can put 0 in there and save. And that way, if you create an assignment or you have something where you want to keep track of it, but you're not putting any of that percentage towards the grade, you can do it this way and just put it into unweighted.